Another day, another blessings na naman ang na-receive ko for today's video at isa-share ko kung ano ba yung laman ng pa-giveaway ni Beshi Bakes. Thank you again, Beshi Bakes, for giveaway. More followers and more blessings to come. Don't forget to follow us. See you on our next video. Salamat!